Save it, spend it,
Oh, no.
sell it, whatever.
We'll keep it.
The bag on me.
It's for your trash.
Try to stick it back down.
Oh, look at that. Oh. Coming soon. Oh. Are you pregnant?
Yeah.
You are? That's
Oh.
why. That's why. Oh, look at that. Because I'm
Yay! I'm so happy for you. God, that you're happy.
Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, we got a little baby.
Are you gonna take my picture?
No, I'm videotaping you.
Did they say it was going to be more than one, or
I'll
did Mama
know.
say something?
I have an appointment.
We don't know yet. It's too
You don't know
soon.
how many yet.
When's it due, son?
Oh, it's due in August.
We're thinking it's gonna be August
It's
28th.
due in August.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I get a little niece in